basically in this training, what I wanted to do is just show you how to grow your fan page. You know, it's actually pretty simple, and to really do it on a $5 to $10 a day budget. Now, one of the things that I believe is really the fastest way to do it is paid advertising. You know, paid advertising with Facebook is a great way to do it. Facebook has over 2 billion people on their platform, and you know, essentially, you have that opportunity to connect with you know, virtually an unlimited amount of people. So I believe the fastest way to do that is really through paid ads. And you can see I've got over 34,000 likes on my fan page. And you know, one of the keys is, like, for instance, if you have just started a brand new fan page and your goal is to grow that and to start getting, you know, some type of an audience, obviously you want to get some likes on your page. And I think for a brand new fan page, what you should focus on is getting your first 1,000 likes, okay? And that is actually pretty simple to do. And you can do that by setting up a basic Facebook like ad, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a moment. And one of the things that you can do also is basically, you know, take your page, take the URL, and share it with anybody that you know. You know, there's a couple cool things that you can do on Facebook to get likes initially. And many people don't know it, but if you just zoom in right here on your page, now obviously I'm the admin on my page, but if you go to these 3 little dots here, you see this right here where it says invite friends, okay? What we want to do is go ahead and click that, and what this will allow you to do is any friends that you have on your Facebook profile, you can actually go through and invite them, you know? So let's see if we find a couple people. We've got this one. Oh, I love Jesse. Jesse's my buddy. So we can just go down here and we can hit some people and, you know, just recommend to them. And we'll do Terry, and let's see here. We got Mr. Dave Sharp, Darren Little. We've got, you know, let's see, my buddy Roxana. And we can just scroll down the line here, and basically you can see what happens is this is a way to go through all your friends, find any business friends that you have, and, you know, ask them to like your page. All right. And again, this is the fastest way to do it. Most people are pretty maxed out on friends. You can see I have never maxed out my friend list. I think I have like 1,000 friends pending, but truth is that I don't put a lot of focus on my profile. I do stuff there, but my main focus is on my business page, and that's where I get the majority of my you know, of my traffic and my leads and things like that. So, you know, the biggest thing is to just go down the line, and anybody you know that is connected with you in a business sense on your profile, you can do it through this. All right. And so you just go down the line, and no matter how many friends you got, you can do this. Okay. So that's what I suggest. So, and then once you're done, of course, you go ahead and you just click send invites. And what it does, it sends an invite to them, and they get a little notification, and it says, you know, so-and-so wants to invite you to like their page. So this is a way for you to get free likes. All right. And we'll go in and I'll show you an ad here just in a moment, but this is a free way to do it. Okay. So next, once you've done that, you can invite people on your profile to come over and like your page. Now what you do is, this is a little unknown trick that many people don't realize that you can do. But I have, like, this video, I actually posted this today, or excuse me, yesterday. And but many people don't know is that you can come in here to any video. So let's say you've posted a video and you get a couple likes, or maybe you run an ad to that video. Come in here and it shows all the people that have liked your video, and click on that, and look what happens. It opens up and it tells you everybody that has you know, liked or liked your video. You can invite them as well to like your page. So this is a great way to get likes also on your page. You know, just scroll down here, do this, and you can just go right down the line, and it does the same thing. Okay, and you can invite all those people. So every time you do a post, you should come back and look and see who has liked your videos or your images or whatever, and make sure you send them an invite to like your page. This will grow your page over time. And you can go through and do this with every single post. And I highly recommend that you do, okay? So that is another way to get free likes. Free is good. We all love free, right? So free is a good thing. So those are the things that I recommend you do. And if you have some type of an existing audience or a group of people that you know, maybe you're running a Facebook group, you would want to have people like your page there as well. Put it in there, let people know, like your page. Now, one of the things that I do a lot of times when I'm looking to get my audience to like my page is I want them to come over here and not only like the page, but set the following tab to see first and then all notifications on. So that way when I do live videos, they get notified up here. And also whenever I post something, it shows up first in their newsfeed, so they're sure not to miss anything. So that's another thing that you can point out when you're connecting with people. Just tell them to set it to see first and set all notifications on. It's a great way to get interaction on a consistent basis with your audience. Okay, so that's another little tip and trick for you. And again, then, if you have any groups, go to the share tab and share down these groups. Look at this. This is another one. Share in a group. So you can choose any group. If you have groups, I have many, many groups. I can share in there say, hey, come on over and make sure you like my page. All right. That's a great way to get free likes. So just all these little tips and tricks. I mean, my gosh, there's so many of them. There's just so many that you can do. And so you want to make sure you do those. So that is the free ways to do it. Let me go ahead and show you how to set up a quick ad to do that. So once you're here into the ad manager, okay, and you can see I run a lot of ads. I love Facebook ads. You go over here to the create button, this green create, you click on there. And what your goal is you're going to come here and we want to get engagement. Okay, we want to pick an engagement ad. And then we're going to choose page likes. All right. And then make sure you name it. Just put page likes. Likes. And then I put the name of my page. Whoops. All right. And then we'll go continue. And then what we want to do is we can choose our Facebook page. So we'll choose that one. And then your goal here now is to go through and set a budget. All right. You want to set a budget of people who will like your page. So now what we can do is we can set our audience. We can do a custom audience, or we can target in any country we want. I usually stick with the United States. You can enter your language. I would suggest target people based upon the language that you speak or the language that your business is available in. In this case, it's English. And then what we do is we go through and we can choose our detailed categories. So for instance, I am in the home business niche. So I would choose somebody like Ray Higdon, and that would be my target audience, maybe even Network Marketing Pro. Okay. You can add in a couple of them if you'd like. Let's see here if we got a couple more. And then you just go ahead and do that. And then you move down here, and here's where it says connections. So we want to make sure, and Facebook looks like they do this for us, but we want to exclude people that's from seeing this ad that have already liked our page. So if they've already liked our page, we want to exclude them here. Okay. So very, very important to remember to do that. That's a big deal. So, make sure you do that. And let's scroll down here and we can choose our placements. Now, I like to edit placements, and personally, I like to go for the newsfeed. That's, to me, the best. And, of course, when you're doing page likes, it's really the only one that you can do. All right, and now you can do mobile and desktop if you like. Personally, I will tell you, when you're doing a likes campaign, mobile is best. You're going to get the best amount of likes on your page and the best price on the mobile. Okay, you can see here when I did that, it jumped. You'll get an estimated 20 to 100 page likes a day for an ad budget of $25 a day. But let's go ahead and switch that to $5. And you can see, so that'll give us 4 to 26 likes a day. And the longer you let an ad run, the better Facebook gets at targeting the right people. So a $5 per day budget will get you anywhere from 4 to 26 likes, which is pretty awesome. You know, and that's just an estimate, so you have to play with it. If I bump it up to 10, I can get as many as 51 likes. That's pretty awesome. You know, that could be really awesome stuff. So you could really start to grow your page with a little bit of investment and a little bit of time. So you'll spend $70 a week to get 8 to 51 page likes every single day. And like I said, Facebook is really good at trying to get you the best results possible. And then you go from there. So you scroll down and basically just leave this all the way it is. We'll continue. And then this is where you're going to put your image or your page. And you can leave your image, your header in there if you want. You can put a video in there if you choose. It's really up to you. I've done testing for both a video and an image, and I haven't seen a real big significant change in how that works. Okay. So, you know, in terms of the price per like, I haven't seen a major difference in that. But, you know, as far as the text, you really want to give people an idea of what it is that they are going to get just by liking your page. And I like to say something like after generating over 100,000 leads online, you can follow me daily for free tips and tricks. Let's just say this. Give me a like and join the conversation. I love to say that when you're doing that, and it's really a cool way to do it. So that's our deal. People will see this on their mobile phone and they'll give it a like. And it's got my image there, and it's kind of the branding of the page. Okay. Now, if you have a video for your header, you can certainly put that in there as well. But that'll make a difference when when you're getting likes. All right. Really cool way to do it. Really great way to do that. So let's see here. We're going to go over to, let's go back to and placements. We got that. Let's scroll back up. So I actually think I'm going to run this ad right now. Look at that. You guys are going to get the good stuff. So let's, I'm going to just target Ray Higdon because I love Ray. He's my friend, my buddy. He's awesome. All right. So let's see what would it do if I did all automatic placement. Same thing. But let's go. I'm going to do a $25 a day budget. All right. So that'll give me those page likes. Now let's see how it goes, huh? What do you think? But this is how you can grow a page. You can run any budget. You can run down to $5 a day if you choose. Let's see here. You can, let's just take out, I don't like that. Leads online. Follow me daily. Follow me on my page for free tips and tricks on the latest lead generation strategies. Give me a like and join the conversation. Boom, there we go. So now what we can do is, well, you can see it actually cuts it off a little bit. So let's shrink this down a little bit. Let's just take that out. Yeah, we'll do that. Give me a like and join the conversation. Boom. So let's do that. Let's let that run. We'll confirm it. There we go. And our ad is up and rocking and rolling. So you can see it's adding it to the deal there. So there we go. It's now in review. And depending on what you're doing, could take Facebook up to 15 minutes and as much as 24 hours to approve that. But after that, you'll be ready to rock and roll. So that is how you can grow your page. Use the free strategies. Every single day you run an ad, or every single day you run a video. or whatever, make sure you go in, do those things that I showed you. That is a way to get free likes, and free likes are a good thing. And that's a way to grow your community. Take you about 10 minutes a day to go in and invite everybody, and you get all that free exposure. So anyway, that is how I suggest that you grow your page. Simple to do, and you can go out there and start doing that right away, okay? Appreciate you. I hope you got some value out of this, and appreciate you. Bye-bye.